Hi, thanks for using My Court Coach. I'm Sarah and I'll be your instructor as we talk about the Expedited Child Support Order, also known as FL-382. This is a form that would accompany your FL-380 application for an Expedited Child Support Order. As always with our court forms, you want to fill in your case caption identifying information at the top. Because at this point, this is a proposed order that we are serving on the other side, you would want to mark the box proposed, list the date of service right here, and then below you just explain in further detail the child support that you're requesting, what the date is that you're proposing that the support order take effect. Usually that's going to be first of the month. The courts like to have orders effective on the first of the month. If there's multiple children, or even if there's not, you need to list the amount of child support allocated to each child, list that child's name, the amount of support that goes to that child. So for instance, if there's 2 children and the total amount is 500, maybe child number 1 is allocated 200 of that, maybe child number 2 is allocated 300 of that. Your worksheet that outlines the basis for the computation of support should have that allocation listed on it, but this form also asks you to repeat it here. You want to list who the support is payable by, the name of that person, and who the recipient of the support is. You would list their name here, and payable on what dates. You can either state monthly, first of the month, however you would like to describe it. If it's bi-weekly, that's fine as well. Whatever is comfortable for you. Just know that if there's a garnishment that goes into effect, you will get paid when the obligor of support gets paid, and it will be determined however that is. If it's weekly, then the monthly amount would be divided into weekly amounts. If it's bi-weekly, same thing. Boxes 3, 4, and 5 really deal with a hardship deduction. A hardship deduction is usually issued at the discretion of the court when the obligor or the payor of support requests one. But if your child support calculation did include a financial hardship amount to be deducted, then you would list that here. And then if it's a temporary hardship, for instance, if the payor of support has a temporary disability, then you could list the date beginning from the date that the temporary disability goes into effect, or the reduced income, and then the ending date would be when it ceases. And then if there is a change in support, then you would fill out box number 5, the date that the change takes effect. And then again, just like in box number 2, the child's name, the monthly amount, who is paying the support, who is receiving the support, and on what dates the support payments need to be made. Thank you. I hope you found this helpful, and good luck.